We've recently closed the loop with IP. We've always had the ability with NDI, our software-based IP standard, to process video for switching, for graphics, for effects. But getting video into IP has always been the hard part, right? So we've sold some rack-mounted converters that have allowed you to take SDI and turn it into NDI. But what people are really waiting for is something a little more portable, a little more affordable. So we've introduced converters now, portable converters that are either SDI or HDMI that will convert those signals into NDI. They have loop-throughs, so in the case of, for example, somebody wanting to take the output of their computer and have that available on the network but still send it to a monitor, you can patch the HDMI into the converter and take the loop-through out and run that to a monitor, and then your computer output is available on the network for production. The ideal scenario, rather than just having a converter convert regular video into IP, is to have IP come straight out of the camera. So we've just introduced the world's first NDI PTZ camera, which is the NDI HX PTZ1. And literally with a single Ethernet cable, you can get video, audio, tally, what I think is some really cool plug-and-play PTZ control, and power over Ethernet. So one cable, plug it in, and your camera is now on the network and accessible from any NDI-enabled application, including our products TriCaster and IP series. Well, NDI is our core IP standard that NewTek developed, introduced at IBC 2 years ago, and since then has had massive adoption that I don't think we even estimated. So we've had nearly 3,000 downloads of the SDK, and we've had hundreds of companies that are either developing or already shipping NDI-enabled products. So if you do the math, that's literally millions of users right now in the world that use NDI. And with the current state of IP video and the standards boards, not having finished ratification of standards, really NewTek is the most prolific IP video standard in the world, our NDI video standard. This is game-changing. The fact that we now have cameras and converters, we can go all the way from acquisition through production to delivery and distribution, all in the IP domain. And that's a game changer.